Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to save your weed eater, weed whacker, weed trimmer, whatever you happen to call it. This is just one of the simple maintenance tips that'll prolong the life of your equipment. Today the one we're working on is this Weed Eater Max with a 25cc engine. So let's get right into it. At the end of the shaft you have the gearbox with a gear head of this weed trimmer. If you ever wondered on what the screw was for over here, this one can be removed with a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/2 inch wrench. So before I remove this, I just want to clean up the outside of it. I'm using this carb cleaner. You could use brake cleaner, some old gas, whatever you happen to have laying around. Get this back a little bit. Okay. Let's clean this up. Give it a little wipe. And let's get this off. This was on pretty snug. If I had to guess, this was never done. And you say, well, what's the tip? The tip is these heads have to be greased. Looking in there, it looks like there might be some grease. Now down below I have 2 links for gear grease that you could use in here. They have the tubes that they come in actually screw in to the support, and I also have another link that has a grease gun that you could use to fill this up. I don't have neither one of those with me today, so I'm just going to get some axle grease into here. I'm not recommending it. It just happens to be what I have, and the fact that this never had any grease added to it, it's a lot better than nothing. So I'm just going to use this grease gun. Okay. You won't believe this. I came out here, it was sunny, started doing this video, and the rain is coming down. Okay, let's get a little bit of grease in there. Hold your finger on it, turn this around a few times, and lubricate it, lubricate all around. Maybe pop a little bit more in there. You don't want to overfill this because you don't want the grease to build up pressure. And do it again. Get the screw back in before it gets full of rainwater. Whew. And that's all it takes. Not even 2 minutes worth of your time, and you prolong the life of this gear head. Whew. If you enjoyed this video or have any questions or comments, be sure to post them down below. Give it a like. It helps tremendously. And if you would like to see any other videos on these weed whackers, weed trimmers, let me know. Post it in the comment down below. If you would like to see how to grease the flexible shaft, I could do a video on that. Just let me know down below. And for now, that's a wrap. Until next time, stay safe.